Hi there. Let's talk about the analytics feature in NapoleonCat. With the analytics feature, you can monitor your results on social media. You can also analyze your competitors or any other public profiles, draw inspiration from others, establish your own KPIs, see the bigger picture, and ultimately refine your social strategy. Analytics work with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Let me give you a quick rundown. Before you analyze any profiles in NapoleonCat, you first need to connect them. Hit the link in the top right corner for a how-to video. After connecting a profile, please allow up to 24 hours for NapoleonCat to process and collect the analytics data. So, you access the analytics feature by clicking on this icon on the far left. Here you'll have a list of your connected profiles. Your profiles are the accounts that you manage. Below, you'll also have the Followed section, where you can analyze your competitors or any other public social media accounts. Let's click on our Managed Facebook page. On the right, you can set a custom time period for your analysis. If you're looking for data that goes back further than 2 months, just contact us, and we should be able to help you out with that. You can have your data presented to you in a daily, weekly, or monthly breakdown. Anyway, here are all these different tabs that pertain to specific metrics. These tabs will differ depending on which social media platform we're analyzing. For a Facebook page, you have the summary that includes all the basic metrics: follower growth, reach, engagement rate, video views, and daily interactions. You can download each data chart as a PNG file, or you can go straight to our reports feature to create or schedule detailed analytics reports. We have a separate video on that. If you click on more above each data set, you can learn more about every metric, how it's calculated, and its benefits. Let's move on to another tab. Inside the Reach tab, you'll have metrics like total reach, fans growth, number of active users that interacted with your page, and you'll also be able to see a visual representation of the top 10 countries where your followers are located, helping you understand your audience's geographic distribution. Next, you'll have the Impressions tab, where you'll see the total number of times your content was displayed to users, regardless of clicks. This metric helps you better understand the reach and visibility of your posts. Another tab breaks down engagement. Here you can see how users interact with your content, and it generally represents your overall social media health. On Facebook, users can comment on your posts, mention your page, react to your content, or share it with others. You can also see how users react to your posts, whether they mostly like them or love them, whether you make them laugh or angry. It's all nicely presented here. Next, in the Content tab, you'll see what kind of content performs best and when, which is really crucial when working on your social media strategy. You'll see which days of the week generate the highest engagement rates, and also which hours are the best to post. Below, you'll see the top 10 most engaging pieces of content broken down into comments, reactions, shares, lifetime, engagement rate, and reach. Next, in the Video tab, you'll be able to analyze how well your videos capture and retain viewer attention. You've got metrics like video views up to 10 seconds, video views up to 30 seconds, autoplay and click-to-play views, repeated video views, and the general number of views. Long story short, here you can check if your videos are interesting or not. In the Hashtag tab, you'll see which hashtags contribute the most to your post visibility and interaction, allowing you to refine your hashtag strategy for maximum impact. Last but not least, in the Influencers tab, you'll see your top 20 active users who interact most frequently with your page. So, this is how you analyze your managed Facebook page. But you can also analyze your competitors to better understand your target audience and refine your social media strategy. After all, you most likely share your target audience with your competitors, whether you like it or not. You can easily check your competitors' most optimal posting times or what content performs best. Maybe don't try to copy them, but you can most definitely get some inspiration from this. Also, using the benchmarking feature, you can benchmark your social profiles against your competitors. Simply name your dataset, choose the platform, add the profiles. Click on Create Set. And there you go. This allows you to compare how different brands perform across different social media channels, and it gives you an even broader picture of your competitors. Last but not least, let's say you're wondering which social media platforms you should use the most. The brand performance feature makes it easy to check. All you need to do is add a set of all your managed accounts across different platforms. And there you have it. You can analyze follower count, engagement rate, and brand performance across all these different social media networks. You can then, for example, focus your strategy on the networks where your audience is most engaged. If you wish to conquer social media, just hit the link down below and sign up for our free 2-week trial. And if you have any questions, just contact us through our website and we'll be more than happy to help you. Until next time, bye-bye.